What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a nightclub makeup look for you, and the first thing I'm going to do is prime my skin, followed by the NYX BB cream. This is my favorite to use. It just goes on really smoothly and gives a nice natural dewy finish, which I love. This is usually my go-to foundation. Then I'm just going to cover up my breakouts a little bit with a Fioria concealer. I find this works really well on acne marks. Then I'm going to use my trusty Tarte Shape Tape and just going to go ahead and conceal those under eyes. This is a pretty thick concealer, but I really like it. It stays in place all night and does not crease. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty contour stick and just going to contour my jaw and my chin and cheekbones and all those places that I really want to accentuate. And I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just blend that right out. Then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and this is the powder one, and I am just going to go over all of those places that I previously contoured with the cream contour and just set it and accentuate it even more. Then I'm going to take my favorite L'Oreal Le Blush color. It's like a coral tone, and just go ahead and blush it up. Next I will be adding highlight, and this is just a highlight palette from Penny's, super cheap. I think it was like €6, and just going to highlight my face. Then I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow priming potion, just to make sure that my eyeshadow stays all night long. Following that, I'm going to take a really light eyeshadow shade and use that as the base for the rest of my eyeshadows. Then I'm going to take this nice peachy transition shade and put that all in the crease of my eyes. Now I wanted to do a nice sort of dark brown, black, smoky eye look, so I'm going to start out with this really pretty sort of chocolatey mocha color and focus that on the outer V. And I'm going to really work on blending all of these together to make sure that they are seamless at the end. Then I'm taking this pretty sparkly champagne tone and putting that on the inner corners to brighten up my eyes and make them look a little bit bigger. After that, I'm taking a black color and focusing that on the very outer corner of my eye and blending that into the brown. Next, I'm taking the brown shade again on this fluffy brush here and just blending that in more so into the crease and really dragging that V out. Then I'm taking this lighter brown color, and that is going to be the shade that I use under my eyes and connecting up to that V shape. I did my liquid eyeliner off camera, but I'm taking this black shade here and just tracing over it. This helps to sort of set the eyeliner, make it look a little darker, and just smudge it out. Then I'm going to set my makeup and do my lipstick and mascara off camera. Set my heart afire. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little get ready with me nightclub tutorial. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching.